Hey guys, Sonny Jr. the Hedgehog here. Today we're trying the Big the Cat plush. You guys remember Big the Cat from the Sonic series, who has a best friend named Froggy? This is Big the Cat I got. I hope you tell me in the comments you guys remember Big the Cat. Alright, I got it out. Yeah, I got the Big Cat plush out the plastic bag. I'm just getting out. Boom! There he is. Big the Cat. Wow, I kind of like this plush. And also his name is actually Big, because he is big. Because everybody loves Big the Cat. And also, he got this fishing rod. I mean, not rod, fishing rod. When he used it to find his best friend, Froggy. And also, Big the Cat is one of the member of Team Rose. He is the strongest, heaviest. Like, Cream can carry Big because she is strong and brave. I like this plushie a lot when he was looking for Froggy. And look at the feet and the other one. And the arms. And the eyes. Let me test my Big the Cat voice. Froggy, where are you? Hello, Amy and Cream. Hello, Sonic. I am Big the Cat. I did a good voice acting Big the Cat. Huh? Amy? Froggy, where are you? Froggy. Froggy. So yeah, that's it. My Big the Cat plush. Tell me in the comments you like my plush. I got. Yeah, I hope you like my Big the Cat plush. Bye.